Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE RAIT. In this video, we are going to show you random password generation using Python. We will be starting from the basics and making our way to the top slowly and steadily. Now, why do we need a password generator? This is because we can't think of different patterns of passwords instantly. However, it is not same in computers. Computers can generate random and strong passwords based on our customizations in seconds. As we know that our password generator will generate password randomly, so we will input random module. After importing, we need to specify the characters to create the random password, so we will go from A to Z. Then add some special character to make our password more unique. We will require a main loop while equals to 1, then we gather information on the length of a password and how many password does the user requires. For that, we will take user input. So now we will give a range for how many types loop has to run, which will be equal to the number of password user needs. For that, we will write a code. Now, to print the password, we make another loop. Here, we use choice function to grab any variable from the given string. Password equals to password plus passchar will help to add all the characters selected by the passchar, and for printing the password, we will write print password. Because they are a combination of random from the characters and string that we had. We have created a little program that allows us to print as many as random passwords we want. Well, that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also for updates, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.